Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make falafel burgers. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. I appreciate you watching from whatever platform you are watching us on. Like I said, we're going to be making falafel burgers, so let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We are going to have 3 cups of cooked chickpeas, 2 cups of cooked brown rice, a 1/4 cup of vegetable broth, a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, 1½ tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of dehydrated garlic, 2 teaspoons of dehydrated onion, 2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons of mustard powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. I'm going to have some whole wheat buns and some toppings to plate this all up when we take our pictures and taste it. So let's drive down here and see how we're going to make this. Alright, so we got our chickpeas and our rice. Now I want to just point out that this is cooked rice. You want to make sure it's cooked. Don't put 2 cups of rice in your pot, and then cook it, because you will get more rice than what you want. You want to cook enough for 2 cups of the cooked rice, and these are actually beans that I cooked. I didn't buy the can and drain them. These are actual beans, so you just follow the package direction. 1 pound will give you about 3 cups. So we got that. I'm going to go ahead and throw them right on into our food processor. I've got the oven preheated at 450, and then I've got a sheet pan with some parchment paper on it, and that's ready to go so when we start making our patties. But I want to just kind of grind this down. Now you want to beat these garbanzo beans down. You don't want to make it into a hummus. You don't want to grind it so far down that it turns into a paste, but you do want to break them up, and then you're going to add your other ingredients in here like we're going to do now. But I just wanted to give these a head start. Go ahead and add our vegetable stock in here. Might need more. Get our lemon juice. Get our parsley right in there. And of course all of our seasonings. And we do it again. Dig down in here, make sure it's all getting blended. Alright, now I'm going to take this out, our mixture, and just dump it right in here. Alright, we got our mixture into the bowl. Let's start making our patties. Alright, we have our mixture. What you're going to do is you're going to take, if you have a scoop, get a scoop so they're all consistent. But imagine your hamburger patty and just kind of make a burger that's going to be about the same size as that patty's going to be on your bun. Like that. So if they're a little dry and they're having a hard time sticking together, you can always add a little bit more vegetable stock to it, but not too much. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just finish these up, and the yield will be different depending on the size that you make these. I got 5 nice little patties here. I'm going to throw these in the oven. 425, I said 450 earlier I believe. 425 for about 15 minutes. We're going to flip them over in another 15 minutes. So here we go. here we go. This is burger. One shot here. Get another shot right there. So I'm going to give this a taste. It's not grainy like most meatless burgers. It's got a nice kick to it with all that paprika and those red pepper and the coriander. But it's got a nice meaty texture to it. And I'm sure it's got a lot of fiber in there. So. A lot of crunch from the rice and the garbanzo beans because it baked out. It took a little bit of that moisture out. But, yeah, this is a good option. If you want to go meatless, I wouldn't recommend throwing it on a grill. Probably fall right through. But man, it's got some good flavor, a lot of bite to it. If you want the recipe for this, it's in the description box or in the first pinned comment. Make sure you go check out my seasoning store over on itsonlyfood.biz. Take care of yourselves. Don't forget to make this. This is really, really good. Take care of yourself. Bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the soul kitchen.